Hi and welcome to episode number 603 with whatsforchow.com. In today's episode we're making a super tasty Thai green curry chicken roll. With all the amazing flavors of lemongrass, galangal, green chillies and coriander, this chicken roll is an absolute winner. You will need a ham cooker for this recipe. There is a link in the description below, otherwise you can also use a plastic meat casing. To start, cut 1 kilogram of chicken breast into cubes and spread them out in a baking tray. Place the tray in your freezer for 45 to 60 minutes until the chicken is partially frozen. This will give you a cleaner grind when you mince the chicken. After this time, run the chicken through your grinder using a coarse 8mm cutting plate. Change the plate to a fine 3mm plate and run the chicken through the grinder again. Transfer the finely ground chicken to a large mixing bowl and add 20 grams of powdered gelatin, 20 grams of good quality chicken stock powder, 100 grams of Thai green curry paste, and 100 milliliters of coconut cream. Mix this all thoroughly for 5 minutes until completely combined and the mixture has started to emulsify. Line your ham press with a bread film bag and transfer the chicken mixture to the press, compressing it as you go to avoid any air pockets. It is not absolutely necessary to line the press, however this does make the removal of the loaf easier and the cleanup much quicker. You will also achieve a much smoother surface finish on the roll. Fold the excess plastic over the chicken and insert the pressing plate, followed by the lid. Insert your probe thermometer through the hole in the lid. Place the press in a water bath set to 75 Celsius and allow the meat to cook slowly over 2 to 3 hours until the internal temperature reaches 72 Celsius. The water level in the water bath should be about an inch below the top of the press. Once cooked, quick chill the press by placing it in your sink filled with iced water. When the internal temperature reaches 30 Celsius, transfer the press to your refrigerator overnight. The following day, remove the chicken roll from the press. Any gelatin on top of the loaf can be used as a fantastic soup base or to flavor sauces or gravies. Slice the chicken roll into nice, thin, even slices and you're done. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Wednesday.